Hey, what's up everybody? Chibo from Hennessey. We are out here at Coffee and Cars Houston, and guess what? Today is Hennessey Homecoming 2024. We've got our VIP customers and guests out here. We've got a car corral. They're gonna have a great day with us as we got a full day of events planned for them. You don't want to miss it. Keep watching. It's gonna be an awesome day. Hey everybody, Chiba from Hennessey. We are part 2 of our Hennessey Homecoming weekend. We are in Brookshire, Texas at the amazing Hemi Hideout, owned by John and Diane Hovis. This place is not a museum, it's not a car collection. It's the most epic man cave you've ever seen on steroids. So we are so glad that our Hennessey customers and guests are out here today to join us and experience this amazing, amazing facility. So thanks, stay with us, you'll see lots of cool things. Hey everybody, Chibo here. Final stop on the Hennessey Homecoming Tour. We're here at the factory, at the Hennessey Performance headquarters. All of our great customers are in the shop having lunch right now. All their cars are parked out here. We're gonna do a big family photo, taking some shop tours, gonna see the F5 production building. It's gonna be a great afternoon. Don't miss it.